Thank you for visiting our channel. Today I came out to review and also quick unbox this awesome looking earbuds. This is called Open EarRing and is done by a company called Tozo. I have to mention that this is a really cool, it's not going to really sit inside of your ear, rather it looks like a little ring that goes around your ear. And I do not want to forget, if you haven't subscribed to our channel, click the subscribe button. Make sure you share this with your friends and family. Make sure you click the notification icon, select all in order to get notified once we have a new video out. On top of that, if you have a question, drop them at the bottom of the video. We love to help you out ASAP. And don't forget to click the like button. It really motivates us to make these type of videos quickly with a little more detail every time. In here are all the components that are part of the box. Comes with this quick user guide. You can see the name on the top and also the model number written in the side of it. But once you open it, it talks about how you will be able to connect. Bluetooth pairing is over here. Also shows you how you can wear it, so this way it is going to work properly. And once you go to it, talks about the smart touch, what you will be able to see and process, and then the power on and off. Now when you flip on the other side of it, talks about how you will be able to find out and reset it, and the charging part of it in the front, how you will be able to charge, we will show you in this video, and also what this part means on the charging part, and that's about it. So that's the front and the back part of it. Now this also comes with a detailed user manual. You can see the model number and then the name of the company right on the top, which I really like how they have managed to process what is in the box and then how you will be able to wear it. So it's a little more detailed. The other one was a little different, but over here you can see that how you will be able to process with the touch, and then the reset part, the charging part, also the indicators. Now going on the other side of it, how you will be able to process with the app. There is an app for it you can get, and then you will be able to process each ear separately. All going to be over here, and there's a QR code right in the back that you can scan even using this video itself, and you will be able to learn more about the earbuds. And then there's more information, as you can see, on the back part of it, and some warning, and also special reminders are in the bottom. Don't forget to read that part. I really like that it has a little sticker that is standing out. This sticker really means is it will give you 18 months of warranty and not just 12 months. This is really cool. Now this earbuds also comes with a charging wire. One side is going to be USB Type-C. The other side is USB 2.0 port that you can connect, and it's not that long. So this way you can charge it. Doesn't matter if you're in the car or on your computer. And also on the desk, you can process it and it will be quickly charged. Now the actual earbud is sitting inside of this little docking station. I really like how they have managed to put everything together so it doesn't get scratched up. But there's a little part that you can open. There you go. And it comes out. Now this is the docking station, how it really looks. There is a LED in the front that will turn on, and we will show you in a couple of seconds. But going to the back part of it, there's the hinge. It also have writing on it. And then you have the charging port, and the reset button is right beside it. Now in the bottom there's nothing. And also on the top, it says the company name. Very slick the way that they have made it. And then once you open it, the earbuds are sitting inside. And yes, there is some writings, but I really like how they have managed to put this together. So we will place this down. We will take it out. And there is the charging ports right inside. So that way the earbuds gets charged each separately. And then there is some writings, as you can see. And I'm sure that you can read it. But I really like how this has been designed. And once you close it, indicating to you how much charge it has. But right now it has not been even connected, so I will put this here. So the actual earbuds looks like this. It has their name really nicely written on top of it. But once you see, this is the charging port. Going on this side, there's nothing here. And same thing on the other side. But once you look inside of it, it will tell you that this is the left. And then when you look on the other side, there's nothing. But once you look on the round part of it is where you're going to see the speaker. So this is going to go inside of your ear. And then this part will stay at the back of your ear. And you can see there is a little hole, and that is for the mic itself, so you can hear. Same thing goes for the right one. And then you have similar charging connection. The name on it itself. The ring that goes around your ear. And then it has a little speaker and the round part that goes inside of your ear. And then when you flip it on this side, you can see that there is a little hole. I really like how in the front, both of the charge for the earbuds itself and it quickly goes off. So you can see that's right, left one and the right one, and how many percent is the actual charge for the docking station itself. All right, so now let's go through and hook these up to the ear. So make sure the smaller part goes inside of your ear and the bigger part stays behind your ear. So if you put it down, this is the way that you should be wearing this, and that's how it's done. And then the other side will be the same way, and then the round part goes inside of the ear and the big one is behind, and that way you can also touch part of this earbuds and it will work. So that we don't have to touch anything here, you just have to touch in the back, and then that will process and it will help you out. So this is how it really looks once you start wearing this. It's time to pair the headphone with the phone itself. So for that, we're going to go from the top, then scroll down, select Bluetooth. It is selected on the search and it should find it for us inside of the docking station. There you go. So now when it's on, we can close, give it a couple of seconds, and it should come up. So we're going to say scan. Now once the blinking finishes, you will see that it should be. So now when you look in the bottom, it will tell you that this is Tozo Open Ear, and we will select it. And once you say paired, it's connected now. So if we go on the top part of it, you will see that it says 100%. And once you go to the little wheel, you can see the name is written really nicely, and then it will tell you that it picks up call and also audio. Now the bottom is always going to be the same with renaming it disconnect or unpair. Now we are going to play with one of our own videos, which is right over here. Now I'm going to grab earbuds in order to process. So this is the right side. As you can see, it does say R. And then once you go to it, now I'm going to double tap and it pauses. You see that? So when I double tap again, it plays. Double tap, pauses, and double tap should play. There you go. So it is very effective in order to play around and play with this. It works perfectly, so you do not need to get anything extra. And yes, once you press 3 times, it will switch and it will take you to another video, which works really good. But when I press double tap, you see that it works perfectly. Now for this part of the video, I am going to record our voice using the voice recorder to see how good it will grab the voice and record it. So once the voice recording starts, there will be an indentation on the top right here to tell you that the voice is from this phone itself using the earbuds. So this way you know exactly how good it will sound. So let's start that right now. And this is the testing that we're processing using the headphones on how good it will pick up the voice when you are on the call. And that's how it sounds, that this is really good right now that I can hear outside and inside at the meantime, but this is how it really sounds. So we will stop. Now the voice quality overall is not bad, but again, when it comes to an actual bass or trying to play more with it, it's a little bit in lower voice control, or should I say when you're trying to play with it, the voice is not going to be very high the way that has been designed. Again, I like it because when I want to make a call, I want to receive a call, it's very nice and quiet, so I can hear surrounding me also, and it's not going to echo on any ways both sides. I really enjoyed that part. All the links will be available at the bottom of the video, except that this was our take. I hope you guys like our video. If you do like it, click the like button, subscribe button on the top, comment in the bottom. Always remember to visit our own website, which is xctex.info. Like us on Facebook, follow us on Twitter, Instagram, and other social networking places, and thank you.